Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Apple Tech Review. Today I want to show you how you can test your original Samsung. So now I have two phones here. I want to show you how you can test these two Samsungs. Previously in my previous video we were using this also to test original phones, but now we cannot consider because Samsung changed the software. It no longer shows you the model of the phone when you switch it on. So but that doesn't show that a phone is fake or original now in 2024. So let's go ahead and I show you how you can check using certain codes on Samsung devices. So once you check on this Samsung, you can use *#06# to show you the serial number. Also on this phone you can see it also works. This is Samsung Galaxy A05. So what you can do is to check these serial numbers and you compare on the box to see whether these are original devices. I can say these are the original devices, and MI number you can also see here, and you compare also the serial numbers. You check both of them. Same applies to this. You can also choose using that method. So we have also another step that you can use to check the serial number, to check whether the phone is original, that is Samsung device. So we have this code that only works on Samsung phones. So that is the code. As you can see, that one has disappeared. Then on this one, you see on this one it has worked. You see guys, on this 0*#. So that means that is not the original from Korea. So what we can do is to go ahead with this one, which is exactly original brand. You can check from this one using the version. You see, you can click here, you check the version. As you can see, the model, you can also compare this model number with this one from the original box of this Samsung. Then if you want, you can go ahead and you use all these things to test, all these features to test your screen, test your touch, vibration, or the receiver. Yeah, but on these other phones, which is not directly from this one, is not from the original Samsung, these are just like subcontractors. You see the code has disappeared, doesn't work, but it shows that it is a Samsung. Everything shows that it is Samsung. The box is Samsung, but it's not exactly the original from Vietnam. So guys, that's how we can check the Samsung. But if you say you have gone to settings to check whether it's a Samsung, you will find it is a Samsung device. You can see it shows all these things, and when you compare to the box, they are all the same, but it's not the original from this one. Is like the second the second copy, which shows that it is original, but not the first copy. The first copy, it doesn't fail to use this code. Once you press *#0*#, it will directly show you these codes. So guys, that's the way how you can check original Samsung. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any other trick that you normally use to check Samsung phones. Thanks, catch you in the next one.